Noswaith dda iawn i chi gyfeillion. Croeso gresoch i chi fan hyn i Neuadd Brangwyn heno ac i gyngerdd cerddorfa a band chwithbrennau y 6 sir. Mae gerddorfa 6 sir yn denu disgyblion o siroedd Abertawe, Castell-nedd Port Talbot, Ceredigion, Sir Gaerfyrddin, Sir Benfro a Powys.
Musicians on the stage, this is more than just one concert. Mae hwn yn fwy na just un cyngerdd. Mae'n gyfle i ddatblygu fel cerddor. It's an opportunity to develop as a musician. Yn gyfle i godi hyn yn hyder, to raise self-confidence. I ddysgu mwy am gydweithio, to learn more about working with others. I ddod i adnabod ffrindiau newydd. I'm sure there's been lots of new friends been made through this weekend as well. Has just confirmed to all of you that music is so important, it's so inspirational and so valuable to our future. Diolch yn fawr iawn a helo.